After confirming that the scanner is connected to the internet, tap the Dictionary Lookup feature to enter. Swipe to the left from the far right of the screen to open the language recognition setting, select the language to be scanned and translated, and then press the return button in the upper left corner to return, and then start scanning. You can align the pen with the beginning and end of a word, scan the word to view its dictionary definition.
Evolutionary.
You can also scan an entire sentence. By default, the first word definition will be displayed.
Thing.
You can tap on other words to view their corresponding definitions.
Bright.
Tap the star icon below to bookmark important words, and you can view them later in bookmarks.
Bright.